quick video of the swing Dalton garage door. And here's the Allstar motor here at the RTC building here at my school. I'll try to put it down maybe at least once or something. Hope I don't get in trouble for that. See, here's the controller. Stops it, closes and opens, so we're gonna put it down first. I'll put it back here. Hope I don't get in trouble. I'm not supposed to mess with it, but I'm trying to get it one time. See? I'll put it down one more time here. Stop it. That opens it. See it, close it back. Put it down one more time, and I'm gonna open it back. I don't want to burn out the motor, so I'll open it back. Once again, if I want to stop it, I want to close it. Open it back. I'm going to leave it. That one. I'll show you something real quick. Here's another one, which for one I can't open because it's not plugged in. I could plug in, but there's too much wood and it won't go up with all this wood here. Yeah, so I can't open this one. Maybe I'll open this one once someday when they get it cleaned out or something, but just want to show you. Here's a quick video of this Allstar garage opener, and that's gonna be it.